Hello guys, today we're going to open a drawing with a coordination. We're going to know how to open some drawing with its original coordination and how to show the picture or the map from satellite in the Autocad Civil 3D background. The first thing, we're going to open the file of drawing. We have it here. This is the drawing that I'm going to add a geolocation map to it. So we have a location here. I'm gonna attach this drawing in the description. So if you would like to follow up with me, go ahead and open this drawing. It has to be Autocad Civil 3D in order to get it done in the right way. We have here the drawing, but it doesn't have a geolocation map. What we're gonna do right now, we're going to connect it with the geolocation map so that it's gonna be projected to the real world map. The first thing, we have to know the coordination of the map that is being drawn in. This map, it has like a special coordination. It is Oman coordination system. It is Oman Fahoud 40 North, or it's Clark 1880. I have to know the coordination of the drawing, otherwise it's not going to work with me. So we can set up the coordination system for any drawing by two methods. The first one, which is the easiest one, we're going to the tool space map, then to the setting tab, then we're going to the name of the drawing, then right click, edit drawing setting. Then we have to choose the right coordination system. So this drawing is being drawn in the coordination system of Oman. So I'm gonna choose Oman, but we have like multiple choices here. The right one here, it's zone 40 north. As soon as I set up the coordination system, it's already gonna make a geolocation tab right here. So as soon as you choose the right coordination system, the new tab is gonna appear to you. You can just hit it, geolocation map, then choose like map off, then activate. Yes, it has to be online, guys. You have to be connected to the internet. So as soon as I just turn it on, it appeared in the original coordination system, as you see right here. So this is the way where you can just open your drawing in its original coordination system. By the way, whatever you're seeing here, it's connected directly to its coordination system. Can you see right here? This is the coordination. It is like a live coordination system. Here, I want to make something like a point that has point table at the end. For example, I want to make a point right here. Then I want to make like table of this coordination system point. I'm gonna go to the prospector. I'm gonna generate a new point, or I could go right here. I'm gonna choose some places right here. Point 1. I'm gonna call it OM. Enter. Next point. Third point. Fourth point. Sixth point. 10th point. Then I'm done with the point right now. What I want to do right now, I'm gonna make like a new style for the points, so that it looks much nicer. I have to work right here, standards. I have to create a new style. This style, the standards. What I need to do right here, I want to just show the point number. I don't want to like show the elevation. If I'm gonna delete point elevation, point description, I'm gonna delete it. All what I want here is just point number. The point number. How it looks like, the style that it's gonna to appear on, it has to be like something 7. Like yellow, true, circular, true, 1.5. Here we go. So I just get like points number for those places. I want to make it bigger. It's easy, just going here, then edit the style, 15. Okay, here we go. I wanted to list point tables for all of these points. I want to list it here, so I'm gonna go to the points standards. I'm gonna like copy current section. I'm gonna edit something. I just want here point northeast. That's it. That's what I am looking for right now. Okay, I want to choose all the points. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's it. So we got some unique and beautiful drawing right here. Thank you guys. See you next time.